Welcome back to another simple app tutor video, everyone. In this video, we'll learn how you can add auto captions to your videos using the CapCut application on your PC. Auto captions not only make your content more accessible to a wider audience but also improve SEO and viewer engagement. And it's really easy to add them to your videos. Let's open CapCut on our PC and make sure that you import the video on which you want to add the auto captions to. I have this tutorial video which I've edited for the channel. But the last step in the production is to add the captions to my videos because maybe my viewers can't listen to the video in a certain place, but they can read the captions from the video. In order to add the captions, first select the text tool which is in the top left corner of the screen, and then make sure that the Auto Captions option is selected. We will get this little window where it says Auto Captions, and we have the option to select the language for our captions. CapCut supports only a couple of languages as of now, but hopefully they will add support for even more languages in the future. I'm gonna select the English language since my audio is in English. Click on the Start button and wait a couple of seconds until CapCut generates the captions for your video. As you can see, that took only a couple of seconds for a 2.5-minute video, and we have captions now. The next step that you can do is to edit your font, the color of your text, and other stuff. Select any part of the text and a bunch of different options will appear on the right side of the screen. When you select a different style for your text, the changes will be applied automatically to the rest of the text, so you don't have to edit it sentence by sentence. You can customize these captions to your liking, change the size of the text, add different animations between the sentences, and much more. But that's essentially how you can generate auto captions for your videos using CapCut for PC. If this video helped you out and you were able to caption your videos without a problem, then make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.